Apple's desktop lineup has consistently pushed the boundaries of performance and innovation. The M4 Mac Mini is Apple's entry-level desktop, designed to provide exceptional value without compromising performance. Priced at a modest $599, it's an appealing choice for students, professionals, and casual users alike. Processor: powered by the M4 chip. Boasting a 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU, the Mac Mini offers efficient performance across various tasks. Memory and storage: the base model comes with 24 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of SSD storage, ensuring fast boot times and smooth multitasking. Design: the M4 Mac Mini continues Apple's tradition of sleek, minimalist design, fitting seamlessly into any workspace. Despite its small form factor, the M4 Mac Mini punches above its weight. It's ideal for tasks like web browsing, video conferencing, and light content creation. Users dabbling in video editing or music production will find it capable, albeit not designed for resource-heavy tasks. However, professionals working on 3D rendering or large-scale video editing may encounter limitations, especially in terms of GPU power and RAM expandability. For those seeking more power, Apple offers the M4 Pro Mac Mini. Priced at $1,399, it positions itself as a premium option for professionals demanding higher performance. Key upgrades over the M4 Mac Mini processor. The M4 Pro chip features enhanced CPU and GPU cores, delivering superior performance for demanding tasks. Storage: the Pro model doubles the base storage to 512 gigabytes, accommodating larger files and applications. Performance benchmarks: tasks like 4K video editing, 3D modeling, and software development see a significant performance boost with the Pro version. Interestingly, the M4 MacBook Pro starts at $1,599, offering portability, a high-resolution display, and a built-in battery. While it costs slightly more than the M4 Pro Mac Mini, it delivers greater versatility. For many users, the MacBook Pro might present a more compelling value proposition. M4 Mac Mini: ideal for students, remote workers, and casual users. Handles everyday tasks like browsing, document editing, and light photo or video editing. M4 Pro Mac Mini, best suited for professionals engaged in resource-heavy tasks such as video production, app development, or 3D modeling.